Nature can live without humans, but humans cannot live without nature. By protecting nature, we are actually protecting our own existence. Living with nature, our shared existence. Nature can thrive without us, but we cannot thrive without nature. Every tree, every river, every breath of fresh air is a reminder that by protecting nature, we are safeguarding our own future. Let's cherish the earth that sustains us, because our lives are deeply intertwined with the well-being of the planet.